Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about our relationships and what we're doing in our relationships. What are the behaviors? So the question is, what am I doing in my relationship? How am I acting in my relationship? What am I doing to benefit my relationship? Also, at the same time, what am I doing that might not be benefiting my relationship? So what am I doing that is, like making a deposit or a withdrawal in my marital bank account? Am I doing things to annoy the other person, or am I doing things to show my partner that I love them and that I appreciate them, right? This is a big difference. This is such a big deal in a relationship because, and I feel like I talk about this a lot, alignment, right? I feel like, and I can speak for a lot of the ladies, although I have to say it doesn't really matter gender. We all would love a partner who walks their talk, right? Who shows me they love me and they're committed to us, as well as says it, right? I need to hear the words and I need to see it to know it. And you're probably just like that, and your partner might be like that as well. But oftentimes we send mixed signals all the time and things get really confused and misunderstood. So this is a good example of how we can actually start to do that differently. So it matters what we do. It matters how we act in our relationship. Are you treating your partner like they're your teammate, or are you treating them like they're your adversary? And a lot of times I find couples treat each other as adversaries, right? We have swords in our hands. We're ready to fire at any moment, ready to fight because we feel like we have to protect ourselves, basically. So think about that. And if that's the case, then think about why. Is it something that you're angry about that you didn't speak up about? There's always a way to shift everything, okay? How much are you present in your relationship? Are you distracted by your phone? Are you distracted by work? Are you distracted by things? If you are, and this is a busy time at work and you feel like you're getting drawn into that world a little more, then say something to your partner. Okay, there's a way, instead of, you might feel really bad about it and not say something because you don't want to talk about it. But what can really be helpful is if you actually say to your partner, hey babe, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm being pulled away. I am right now for work, but I need to give a little more attention over here. But I love you. It's not you, it's work. Okay. Just by taking that moment and just by saying that and making it clear, it changes everything. Otherwise, our partner might feel like there's something about them that they're doing that's pushing you away, and then they start to get worried and insecure. This is all about communication, but it matters. Our actions really matter. What is special about your partner? And what do you do to make them feel special? And think about that. I'm just throwing that out there. And what are you guys doing together? That's another thing that I'd like you to think about. What are the things you do together? Do you guys have a hobby together? I love to get couples on the same page with doing something that they both enjoy. It could be puzzles, okay? Or it could be dancing, okay? Whatever it is, do you do it? It's a great way to bring you guys together and to have a thing in common together. So for this week, I'd like you to try doing something special for your partner. Give them a genuine compliment. Maybe surprise them with something, could be flowers, could be back rub, it could be just doing something. Whatever it is, the way that you show your partner that you care and you love about them, that's your typical go-to. But the question I have is, how do they like to see that you love? What do they like to receive? How do they know when you're showing up for them in a loving way? And think about them and what they would like, and maybe try to do that. So that's it. That's this week. Good luck. I've given you a lot to think about, but I hope a few of the things have stuck and you really feel like they're helpful for you. Okay. All right, everyone. Have a great week. See you soon.